Stop spending $50 for long-lasting miracle knots. What if I told you I do mine at home for just $2 and they lasted for 4 weeks? No glue, no heat, no damage. Just one trick that makes your miracle knots look salon fresh every single time. In the next 3 minutes, I'm showing you the exact steps that I use to make these miracle knots that don't slip, don't freeze, and don't break your bank. I'll be using half extension, and then I'll use this rope to be braiding my extension. So after I've picked the extension, I combed it and I applied Weave-On oil. So the next thing I'll be doing is to braid it. You just fetch a little bit of it and then braid it like the way you're seeing. So now I am done braiding all of the extension. I'll add conditioner to this boiling water and I'll be putting the braids inside, leaving it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Get the braids out of the hot water and then towel dry it. Then the next thing, I'll be losing the braids like the way you're seeing me doing, and then I'll divide the braids into two with the scissors, and then I'll comb the tips of the braid so that it will look like the picture you're seeing. Now I'll be parting my hair into 3 sections. For the back, I'm dividing it in horizontal section, and then for the front, I'm dividing it in vertical section, and then I'll be parting it little by little and braiding it like the way you are seeing. This hairstyle that I'm making is a protective hairstyle, so this is not going to break your hair at all. It's a protective hairstyle, so we're going to be braiding it from the bottom down to the tips, and remember that we are not braiding all of it. Yes, we're leaving little part of the hair at the tips. Yes, I'm not braiding it completely because I'm going to be joining the miracle knots at the end of the tips, so we're not braiding it completely. This miracle knot is cheap, it is affordable, and it's on a low budget. You do not have to pay $100 or a $50 for this miracle knot. Now I am done braiding all of the hair, so it's time for me to join the miracle knots. So I'll take one of the braids and then I'll be joining the miracle knots section by section like the way you're seeing. I'll be joining a bit of the miracle knots. If I join one part, I'll join again. So I'm joining it for 3 times, and then I'll braid it till all my hair is finished, and then the next thing, I'll be tying it and then notching it so it will not lose like the way you're seeing. Okay, so I added the miracle knots to all the braided hair, and then the next thing I'll be doing is the remaining parts of the coils, the remaining parts of the coily extension. I'll be using it to add to the hair, that's to the braided hair parts like the way you're seeing. So I'll take my crochet, and then I'll chook the crochet into my braided hair, then use the needle part and then pull out the coily weave-on and then notch it like the way you see me doing. This will help the hair to be more fuller and to be more, more beautiful than just leaving it like that. And this is your ready-made miracle knot that you can use to go to your church, to your events, to your weddings, to wherever you want to take it to. So the miracle knot is ready, and look at it, guys, it is so beautiful. And this hair lasted for about 4 weeks, so it does not break your bank and is also long lasting. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this miracle knot at home.